In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your website to Hostinger using hPanel. Whether you're launching your first website or transferring an existing one, this guide will help you get your site online smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by logging into your Hostinger hPanel account. Simply go to the Hostinger website and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're already set up, once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Hostinger's hPanel is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and find whatever you need. Now let's locate the File Manager. This tool is essential for managing your website files directly through the browser without needing external software. Within hPanel, you'll see a variety of options, but head over to the File Manager. Once you click on it, it will open a new interface that displays your website's directory structure. Alternatively, if you're comfortable with using FTP, File Transfer Protocol, you can set that up instead. FTP gives you the flexibility of uploading files directly from your desktop, which can be beneficial for bulk uploads. Next, it's time to upload your website files. Navigate to the public/HTML folder. This is the root directory for your domain, and it's the place where your website files need to reside so they can be accessed publicly. You can easily upload files into this folder by dragging and dropping them into the file manager if you've opted to use it. Ensure that you include all necessary files that make up your website design and functionality. A critical aspect of this step is to ensure that your index.html or index.php file is in the root directory itself. This file is crucial because it serves as the landing page of your website. When visitors access your domain, this is the file that gets loaded by default. If it's not present or incorrectly placed, your website won't display correctly or might show a directory listing instead, which is not ideal. After you've uploaded all your files, you're ready for the final step. Visit your domain to see your live website. Open your web browser and type in your domain name. Hit enter, and if everything went smoothly, your newly uploaded website should now be live and accessible to the public. This moment is always exciting as it marks the transition from your local environment to the World Wide Web. And there you have it. Your website is now up and running on Hostinger. Remember, keeping your files organized and backups handy will help you maintain your site with ease. If you encounter any issues, Hostinger also offers support to guide you through troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more website hosting tips and tricks.